Moong dal bhajiya. Transfer 1 cup of soaked moong dal for about 2 hours in a jar. Add 2 to 3 green chilies. Add little water and coarsely grind it. Coarse paste is done. Transfer moong dal paste in a mixing bowl. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Add half cup of chopped matki bhaji. Add salt as per taste. Add 2 pinches of baking soda. Mix them well. Bhajiya batter is ready. Heat oil in a kadai and fry bhajiya. Fry them on medium to high flame. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Bhajiya are fried well, remove them. Moong dal bhajiya are done. Crispy and tasty moong dal bhajiya are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.